Hey guys, Thunder E here, and yes, we are back with another video on the Galaxy S22 Ultra. This time it's a speaker test or speaker battle between the S22 Ultra and the iPhone 13 Pro Max. But that's not where we're stopping. We're going to be adding more devices to see where it stacks up. Of course, seeing how well the S22 Plus stacks up in terms of audio, as well as the S21 Ultra from last year, and the Redmi Note 11 Pro. And you're going, wait, Redmi Note 11 Pro? Yes, the Note 11 Pro does come with dual firing speakers and also supports Dolby Atmos just like the S22 line and the S21 line. So without wasting any more time, let's look at both speakers, and also we'll be measuring dB levels so you can see how it actually fares side by side. Let's go ahead and watch. Okay, so they all sounded really good. I think honestly, you can't go wrong with any speaker, but which one actually sounded loudest? Now, if you did the ear test, I think the S22 Ultra sounded louder at the very beginning of the track, and the iPhone 13 Pro Max sounded louder towards the end of the track. But when we look at our dB readings, the S22 Ultra sounded louder overall. It had more dB readings in the mid 90s and the low 90s, while the iPhone 13 Pro Max had more dB readings in the high 80s and the low 90s. So whatever you want to look at it, the dB readings say the S22 Ultra is louder, but I could be wrong. Now, the main question is, what do you guys think is the loudest and what do you think actually sounds the best? Leave those thoughts down below. And if you're looking to pick up any of the devices, use our links down below if you haven't pre-ordered already, because I know it is going fast. Anyway, guys, I'm sure you guys are excited for the S22 Ultra and you are dying to see my gaming video, and I promise it's coming. It's actually going to be dropping the next day if you're watching this on Thursday, so Friday morning. Stay tuned for that video. I'll be covering everything you can think of gaming on this device. So let's just go ahead and jump to that video if you haven't watched it already. But till then, I'll say always enjoy your entertainment, and I'll catch you in the next one.